My mornings pretty much kick off at my desk, just trying to understand all the emails that I've gotten in and just my to do list. And the fuel is my key, which is basically my breakfast, which is usually a little something to get the day going. And of course, no day is complete without sharing the outfit of the day. Gotta keep it festive, keep it going with the vibe for the day. And of course, the moment that we've all been waiting for, which is basically lunchtime, and I completely look forward to it every single time. And whenever it's festival time, they just go all out. It's really amazing. I can't even tell you. You can see it for yourself. The spread is so elaborate.
I'm crazy about you. I can't live without you. I'm stuck in the memories of me holding you tight. I'm crazy about you. I can't live without you. I'm stuck in the memories of me holding you tight. About a week ago, I heard your name. So I looked over to see my twin flame.
The Google Food team really shine. They put in so much effort, planning, and passion to bring these incredible Indian festival buffets to life. It's more than just food, right? It's about celebrating our culture and making us feel at home. It's a massive operation, and it's truly a testament to how Google cares for its people. Food goes directly to my soul, and that brings out the smile automatically.
The next day.
Right after that heavy meal on Thursday at office, we're now prepping for the final work day of the week, which is Friday. And I will just tell you in a minute why I'm glammed up so much. Today is going to be a packed day with a lot of meetings. But late in the evening towards night, I'm going out for dinner with my friends, and I'm meeting them after quite a good amount of time. So I'm excited about that. So I'm going to take you all along with me today. There's nothing quite like a good breakfast and then starting off with your work day. Just checking a couple of emails so that I can just respond back to the few quick ones that I can get back to, and then start building out my to-do list. I try to do two things. One is, of course, have a virtual to-do list with whatever I could remember, like all the tasks together, and then actually jot down what I need to prioritize for that particular day that I'm working on, so that be like, okay, one, two, three, these are the 2 to 3, 4 things that I need to complete for the day. A quick roundup of the outfit for the day, and then after a couple of hours I headed out for lunch, and then again finished it and came back, and then it's been a couple of more hours after that, and it's evening time, and I'm snacking so that I can finish all of my work. After this, I'm going to be heading out for the place where all of my friends are meeting together for dinner today. I'm completely rotten. I look like an egg that where all the shells are falling apart. But here we are, we made it. It's actually pretty early for dinner time. That's why this entire place is empty. And then decided to just chill with the friends. Just a lot of catching up happening over here after a really long time, I must say. We've all moved to different teams, so we're just talking about our work lives and just lives in total. It's always so much fun and entertaining with this bunch. There's never a dull moment with them. We had such a good time, had some dinner, caught up on a lot of things, and just called it a night. So, thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.